Okay, hello guys. So we had this function y equal to x cube that rotate around 0 and 1. So before we use the area formula of area, we need to find the differentiation of this function. So it will become dy over dx equal to 3x squared. After that, we can substitute our function and our differentiation into the formula, and we will get this. Before we integrate our function, we need to expand this, and it will become 9x to the power of 4. By using substitution method, we take this function to become our u, and then we integrate du over dx. We will get 36x cubed. But looking back at our function, we only need x cubed and dx. We doesn't have 36. So what we do, we take this 36, we will change it with dx. 36, and here is dx. But we must remember that we cannot use 10 when we want to substitute our u. So I change first dx become u, and then we substitute 10 and 1. So when we done substitute our function, then we can continue with our integration. But first, we must bring outside the 36, so it will be easier for us to do the integration. So integrate u to the power of half du, we will get 2u 3 over 2 over 3. Oh, but here we already simplify it to become 1 over 18. Then when we done integrate, we substitute 10 and 1 into u. When we done and then we calculate the final answer, and it will become 3.5631 unit square. That's it. Thank you.
How the GeoGebra works. So first of all, we put on the function, which is x cube, and then for the second one, we will put on the interval. First of all, we pick the function start x value and end x value, which is the second one, and then we put on the function, which is f. The start value, our group got 0, and the end value our group got 1. And then we need to put on the sliders. First of all, we put n, and then press the 3 button, and then we got the sliders. And then on the sliders, we need to change from 0 until 2 pi. Then we got the sliders. Then lastly, we put on the Lastly, we put on the uh, surface area, and then we choose the curve, angle, and line. For the curve, it is gx. We just put in g. For the angle is n. One end we put have the sliders, and the line is x axis. And then we just we adjust the sliders to full, and then we get the surface area of the graph. So that is all for the GeoGebra 3D calculator.